Okay, good afternoon. Today our IoT students will give case study about nanomaterials. So the nanomaterials is very important and ongoing research field is very important in modern technology. So what is the application? Why we need to study the nanomaterials? What are the materials going to be present in our medicine and other technologies? We are discussed one by one. Okay, what is the intro of the nanomaterial?
Good afternoon everyone. I am Dr.D.Sathya from CSE IoT department. Today I am going to talk about nanomaterials. Nanomaterials are materials that size ranges from 1 to 100 nanometer, which is very small, so we cannot see them with naked eyes. We need special microscope like SCM or TEM, which means scanning electron microscope or transmission electron microscope. Because of these tiny sizes, they show unique properties like physical, chemical, electrical and mechanical properties, which is very different from bulk materials. Because of these properties, they are used in modern works nowadays.
So in past few days, scanning electron microscopy and tunneling electron microscopy is very basic instrument in all the industries or academics. For example, in Nana University, IIT and all. The SEM image and TEM image only can predict the nanomaterials. That's why researchers are also doing some prediction in SEM image or TEM image. Okay, next.
Hi guys, I'm Harniwala from CSE IoT department. I'm going to talk about the benefits of nanomaterials. It makes the things lighter and shorter. For an example, cycle, and it kills the germs. For an example, nanomaterial marks and the bandages, and it helps for cleaning the better waters. For an example, nano water for filtrations, and it is used for helping medicines and benefits. For an example, cancer treatment targets only the bad cells, and it is used for fast charging. For an example, mobile phone chargers. Thank you.
Okay, yes, the nanomaterial is very important in medicine. So what about the cancer? In cancer treatment, especially gold nanoparticles using in the cancer treatment. Okay, the next.
Hi, this is Gargi from CSE IoT department. I'm going to talk about challenges of nanomaterials. Health risk. Nanomaterials are commonly used in many of the applications. Nanomaterials can enter the body and may cause harmful side effects. They can pollute soil and water if it is not deposited properly. These are too expensive for these nanomaterials and unpredictable behavior. Nanomaterials may act differently than normal materials.
Normal material compared to the bulk materials. Okay. The size and properties are also is very different from the bulk materials. Already we are discussing in class now bulk material versus the nanomaterial, the optical property and electrical property. So the size will be changes, the properties also will be changes. Especially optical property, that means color and electrical properties and magnetic properties are not. Magnetic properties in especially gold in gold, bulk material in gold is non-magnetic. For gold nanoparticles, they are ferromagnetic. That's why it's a difference in magnetic properties.
So, hi guys, I'm Irfan Ali from CSE IoT department. Today I am going to give some real life examples of nanoparticles. The first example is cancer treatment using gold nanoparticles. In many countries, scientists use gold nanoparticles that attach only to cancer cells. When the laser light is applied, these nanoparticles get heat up and destroy the cancer cells without harming the healthy tissues. This technique is called photothermal therapy. Is currently being used in clinical trials and has shown a very positive results. Another everyday example is sunscreen. Sunscreen uses nanoparticles like zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. These protect the skin better from the UV rays, and the sunscreen is less visible. These nanoparticles protect our skin better from UV rays, and the sunscreen is non-visible and non-greasy.
Hi guys, I'm Haripriya. I'm going to talk the conclusion. In conclusion, nanomaterials are shaping the future of science and technology. Their tiny size gives them powerful properties that can improve medicine, electronics, energy, and many everyday products.
The size will be very less. Okay.
Why
That's why
they
we are using in cosmetics and all.
Few benefits that it is also important to use safely and responsibly. Research and innovation, nanomaterials.
So we we are concluded that nanoparticles play a very important role in modern day-to-day life. So it's very useful in medicine industry and cosmetics. In cosmetics are used as a sunscreen and all. The method also, it's very simple method, and different methods we have to prepare the nanomaterials. The main two type of the method, the top up approach and bottom approach. That means from the bulk material we have to prepare from bulk and second stage of powder and final stage of nanoparticles. From the bottom up approach we have to form some atoms to form a cluster like compounds and from the nanomaterials. In preparation method, it's especially chemical vapor deposition. That means CVD is a very important method in research industry, because nowadays the thin film coating is very important for every product. The thin film means it's a very low dimension. In chemical vapor deposition, some gases will be passed to the heating chamber. So the solid materials will be coated into the substrate. It will be very interesting and very simple and easy method to prepare the nanoparticles. So nanoparticles in research is ongoing. It's very play a vital role in day-to-day life in modern industry. Thank you.